Hi guys, nowadays, peering to multiple upstream gateways and multi-cloud provider provides more capacity and redundant links. However, managing these multiple links for certain traffic flow is not simple and result in complicated manual network policy. Let's say you want to ensure that for certain ingress, incoming, or egress, outgoing traffic flow, which peer link is the first, the second, and so forth, so that you can have resiliency with prioritization. In this video, I'm going to explain and demonstrate how to have this peering resiliency with prioritization using Cisco Peering Fabric Network Automation, comprises of Cisco Peering Platform, Cisco Segment Routing, and Cisco NSO Network Service Orchestrator. This video is part of Cisco Peering Fabric demo series, and my name is Hinwoto. I'm a Cisco Technical Solution Architect, a CCIE, and a CCDE. You can get more information of Peering Fabric Network Automation. Please sign up to ciscolive.com and access to the Cisco Live session, Intelligent Peering Fabric Network Automation Use Cases. There are complete slide deck and demonstration video.
Where in this use case, we will use the standalone Internet Gateway Router 6 again. And also I will configure this with the through the REST API. For the quick way. So here, I already deleted the previous Router 6 service before. Now let's push it from the REST API client. This is already prepared. Let's take a look a bit what's inside. Actually, we here advertise the ID cloud, AS6 cloud, AS6 cloud 1, cloud 2, right? Yeah. So, and then at the same time, you want to configure that you will have the resiliency with the prioritization for the outgoing. In this case, for the ID cloud destination, ID-cloud destination here. The destination to the ID-cloud, we will have the priority list here. The first peer will be the AS5, so forth, 8 and 4. Okay, let's configure it. Sending. Okay, we have it now here, cloud 6. Then we advertise our AS6 cloud prefixes, and we have the destination priority list here, the egress one, towards the ID cloud from router 6. So let's verify from router 6. Okay, router 6, I will go to, let's verify on the router 2 whether we already have the prefixes. So route BGP. Okay, we have 60, yeah. We have 60, then we have the converts prefix now. Now go to router 6, go to the ID. It's ID cloud TID. Okay, the first priority will use AS5, right? Here. So we will go to 5 first, from 6, 5, 1, 3, and 2. Okay. Then the next part is if this link has failure between 6 and 5, it will select 8 first before 7. So let's verify it. I will do the Python shutdown script again. This one I will Python node 7, node 6. The BGP, this one is 5, 6. Okay. I have it here. BGP 6.5, not 5.6, sorry. Okay, Python, BGP 6.5, okay, download this BGP 6.5, okay. Sending the shutdown script. I think it's done. Let's see the outgoing session again. I expect it will use 8 now instead of 5 or other. Okay, let's see then. It will go to 8 again, right? 8, 1, 3, and 2. 8, 1, 3, and 2. Okay, we have configured the outgoing. In this case, I simulate and demonstrate on the standalone. So you can see that we can have this traffic automation capability in a distributed model, span and leaf, or even in the standalone initially. Okay, that's great. I hope you guys can follow the demonstration and really see the benefit of this intelligent peering fabric automation. So I like you guys to have the key takeaway. We have addressed and we have built our automation to solve all these peering use cases. The ingress peering automation, the incoming based on low latency, based on low cost, based on telemetry, right? And also the egress, the outgoing, the outbound automation based on this parameter all together. As well as we can have the inbound, the ingress, and the egress outbound resiliency with prioritization. Very simple manner. Just a matter of click and define it on the NSO or through a REST API for all-together policy. And we also can leverage NSO capability to automate the gateway policy motion in case you want to swing from one gateway to another gateway for the policy. And we can have the very specific destination policy, as well as it's very scalable. We can start from our integrated standalone internet gateway to our distributed peering fabric. So the peering fabric solution that I have just demonstrated is consists of this network design, our Cisco Peering Fabric platform, iOS XR is the key, and Cisco iOS XR telemetry as well. We can combine with the crosswalk or open source telemetry stack. The segment routing is the very key factor here. You can see here. It's very flexible, very granular, and very simple to configure, as well as the ODN, on-demand XOP, and path computation element, and of course, our main automation software, NSO, Network Service Orchestrator. Okay, so it is the variety design. It's very reliable. It can be very scalable, can be very granular, telemetry based, and very fast. You can see I have done all the use cases within this less than 2 hours, I can say. So now, very faster time to revenue. We can optimize our peer link utilization, and of course, most importantly, we can improve our customer internet service experience. So I like to record this Jack Welch quotation. I think very good. Control your own destiny, or someone else will. In our case, control your own multi-cloud and peering traffic, or something, or someone else will. That's from the Peering Fabric Network Automation. So this is the additional peering resources you can revert to. please take a look. It's very good document, very well documented, and very a lot of resource. I love this all blogs and the segment routing resource. Very good books from Clarence and Chris, which are segment routing books part 1 and 2. Looking forward to part 3 for the SR physics, as I know. And yes, please check my YouTube channel as well. I have recorded some segment routing use cases as well as with the segment routing policy or part composition element and NSO in terms of the transport and VPN service and architecture of transport as well. I think later I will add more video recorded there. And also the segment routing channel on the YouTube. Yeah, that's very good. I think, hope you get very useful this session. Thank you. Feel free to reach me for any update or for any concern. Thank you very much.